Welcome to a special how-to video from Technology Services on how to install the printer drivers on Mac OS. And the first thing you want to do is open up your browser of preference. We're using Safari for this example, and then enter in hub.acadiau.ca. Once you've arrived at the hub, you can search for a printer driver up in the search box. For most articles, you do not need to be signed in, but for some specific articles, you do need to be signed in on the right-hand side. But for printer drivers, we don't need to do that right now. So click on the first article, which is printer drivers, and then scroll down to the Mac drivers section. And the printer driver that we are looking for here is BizHub 368 and 458 color. So click on that one, and it will download. Then you just need to click the downloads and choose the package file, which will then open. There are a number of buttons to click through here, but if you continue through on the defaults and then click Agree to the software agreement and install the driver. It will ask you for your username and password. This, of course, is your username password for your Mac computer and not your Acadia login. And then click Install Software. When you get the confirmation, just click Close. And you can choose to keep or remove the file. The next step is to go over to System Preferences and then click on Printers and Scanners. You might already have some printers here set up, but this will be setting up the Acadia printer for the first time, so just click Add, which is the plus sign down here on the left. And now we need to click on Preferences, the gears up here at the top. If this is not here, you just right-click to the side or also Command and left-click, and that will open up the options to customize your toolbar. And you just want to make sure that the gears icon is up there on the toolbar. So you can just click and drag that up there if it is not there already, and then click Done. Then you can click on the icon up in the toolbar, and it will search for your printer. We'll find one automatically, but you now want to choose Windows Printer via Spool SS as the type and change the URL, leaving the SMB in there, to printers.acadiau.ca/secure-print. Now you can change the name of your printer to Secure Print and choose the driver and choosing Select Software, and you can filter for Konica Minolta. And the one you're looking for is 458. Then click OK and Add. After a bit of time, you come up with another dialog option, and there is an option you can choose your finisher over to FS533. It's not necessary, but it's just for advanced printing. But finally, you can just hit, once again, OK. You'll come back to the Add Printer dialog and just need to wait a few more seconds. Now your printer is installed and you're able to use the Acadia printer. For your first print job, it will ask you for your Acadia username and password, and this is different from your Mac username and password. So this is Acadia and then a backslash and the last 6 digits of your student number and the first digit of your last name, followed by your Acadia password. And remember to click on Remember this password in my keychain, otherwise it will ask you for your password every time you print something. Finally, when you approach the printer for your print job, it will ask for your username and password even after you tap with your ID card.